Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. We can duplicate the patient's existing dentures using Blender software. When we need an immediate denture or do some lab procedures on the patient's dentures, in order not to leave the patients without teeth and function, this is a great option. We can scan the dentures and split the teeth and the denture base using Blender software. Also, it's possible to edit the STL denture. We can create occlusal fissures and grooves, so functional improvements can be achieved. Then we can print the designs separately using permanent crown and denture-based resins. After printing, then we can bond them together and post-cure. Then we do the final polishing and deliver the denture to the patients. Both patients and dentists are happy. I hope you liked the video. To learn more about Blender dentistry, please subscribe. Also, please make sure you like the video and share it with your colleagues. Bye!